You asked, how to divide 5632 by 5 using the long division method. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. 1 times 5 equals 5. 5 minus 5 equals 0. Bring down 6, making 6. 6 divided by 5 equals 1. 1 times 5 equals 5. 6 minus 5 equals 1. Bring down 3, making 13. 13 divided by 5 equals 2. 2 times 5 equals 10. 13 minus 10 equals 3. Bring down 2, making 32. 32 divided by 5 equals 6. 6 times 5 equals 30. 32 minus 30 equals 2. The remainder is 2. The final result is 1126 remainder 2.